video. It's your girl umar and I'm back again with another video. It's currently on the 23rd of July and I'm in a trade right now. I missed a trade on USD, but I had to enter another trade on GBP USD for London key zone high and low of the day, then OT optimal trade entry, fair value gap with an order block. So that's simply what I did in entering this trade. Well, firstly, my analysis in the morning was more like price should go to premium before I looked to sell down, but price didn't really give me that. So I had to just see the trade. Let me just go to my notion and show you guys the trade. I missed the trade USD. So right here I got a change in state of delivery. We already had a bearish bias, but I was looking for a read on buy stops before continuation. But I think I learned something from here, which is this is already another block. So yeah, it should be able to send price down. So look at what I was expecting. I was expecting price to retrace to premium before, like after the impulsive corrective, maybe price will take out buy side liquidity before we look to go down, but price didn't actually do that. Instead, price did a little bit sweep here, which I saw, but I wasn't so confident in it, you get. So I was like, price action is just consolidating. We'll look to see how price reacts at the 1 hour order block. Price is around opening price. So this was the order block. So as you can see, this was the order block price actually sold down from. As you can see, that's how I missed the trade. That's this 1 hour order block. As you can see, that's where price retraced back to and then rallied down. So as you can see what I say, missed the trade as price action was not so clean and I was expecting a retracement to premium first. So that's how I missed that particular trade. And even this USD chef trade again, I missed it. Like I wasn't so confident in all this trade, so I had to just leave it. So this was the Euro USD when price came here. And the thing again, apart from missing all this trade, my profit is actually down. Like I don't know what is wrong with that profit, to be honest here. I don't know. So I'm using the other profit to take this particular trade I'm in now. So looking at USD chef, as you can see, price has already rallied up. Has already rallied up, and this was a light bulb moment I had. I think you should check your trading view most times 7 o'clock, that's 10 o'clock in Nigerian time. You'll be shocked at what happens most times. So going over to Euro USD is still soaking down. GBP USD is not actually moving so well, but the body is telling the story, and DSI is actually approaching this buy side liquidity. Eventually this big imbalance over here, yeah. Because if you look at the daily too, why I entered this trade is, let me show you guys. I knew that this was going to hold this as a support. Let's go to my notion. I knew that was going to hold that as a support. Going to my notion, my forecasting this morning on DXY. So DXY, I already knew that was going to hold it as support. As you can see in the daily right here, I was like, okay, this was a sweep. We already got to change in state of delivery. If that price was not going to be bullish, that means it should have respected this tiny order block here, but price disrespected it. We got to change the state of delivery, so price is now using this as support. So the next draw on liquidity is this swing high and also this fair value gap, which is a very nice draw on liquidity because the market only goes for two things: inefficiency and also buy stops. And you see we have a swing high here and we have a fair value gap there. So that's literally, so I was like, okay, is price going to go down first, or as you can see, price is already going up first. So eventually price might not even want to come down because this might hold price properly. So yeah, it's just a probability game. There is nothing much. I think there is nothing much, but always having a draw on liquidity, using time and price, then looking for your setup and your entry. I think that's the main thing. That was just simply what I do trading wise nowadays. And yeah, price is not moving so well in pound USD, GBP USD. I don't know why, but this is the trade I'm in now. Looking at 30 minutes. This is the trade I'm in now. As you can see, price is just doing its own thing right here. Well, we just ended. So one thing I love about ICT concepts is there's this saying, they tell you the weak does the damage, the body tells the story. There is my other channel where I post trades that I take. Like I just post videos of it, okay? Like one thing about ICT is that the concept is, if you know, like there's a way sometimes there's a way your trade will go. Sometimes you just start feeling that it's not gonna play out, okay? Even though you have an edge, like knowing how price is reacting from a fair value gap, how the bodies are respecting, and the rest of it. Like most times you're already saying, okay, if price should do this, that means that trade is not valid. Because looking at this now, like price has been consolidating a lot at this my entry here. Yeah. And this other block, the first criteria was this fair value gap, that price should not close above it. Later on, this other block, price should not close above it. Then seeing how price is consolidating here, my full thought process is this candle now, this don't close candle, price should not close above it. Okay, the price should close above it. Like I'll be seeing that probably this trade might not go as planned, and also this swing high, that will be a break of market structure. Price going above it, so we signal that the trade is not going to hold. So that's one thing I really appreciate about ICT concepts. Like if you enter a trade, you really like, okay, let's see how price is reacting from this red value gap. If it doesn't respect it, then this will happen. Like all those things. And it's this one, like this sense of allowing the trade just play out. I so much want to sleep right now because later on I need to wake up and do some work, but I'm just watching this trade. But something I'm looking at here is that I'm watching something, I'm learning something here. USD, if you go to the daily, USD did not break in market structure. It was other GBP. So it's today that it eventually did break in market structure with this swing low in the daily time frame after a sweep. But GBP USD has already taken out the liquidity, the swing low, and you know it have already tapped into the liquidity. I think that's why it's like lagging behind, because it has already tapped into this liquidity and retraced back. So that's why USD too, even DXY, all of them are, like you can see price already at a swing high. So it's just that the one I now enter is just lagging behind. And it can be so frustrating at times. It can be so frustrating. But yeah, let's see if the trade will play out. If not, I'll stay in the sideline. It's evening and I just finished watching a video on productivity, on how I can be managing my job. And so far I just finished, and this trade is still, like, price has consolidated a lot on my trade. And right now I have this trade with $25 because it's just too much to handle right now. Because it's just too much to handle right now. Like a lot of consolidation, to be honest. Yeah, I'll just close out that trade with $25. Like look how many times price consolidated in my entry. But still, that thing I usually used to say, like the body will tell you the story, the candle, the feeling so down. It's so hard to actually do this time blocking stuff, like set up Notion, time block, and the rest of it. I've been trying to do it, but I'm so hesitant, and I'm just trying to push myself, but still, it's not just coming forward. And I really want to be productive during the week here. Like, I already removed some position, like I removed half of it, and allowed the rest to run. I closed with, I think, $12 already on this tape, and this $12 still in profit. I think I should end this video here. Yeah, guys, stay tuned, and keep on liking and subscribing. I'm so tired for real. I'm so tired. That's some things I want to talk about, but just keep it in for now, and it's not easy. It's not easy. I don't know, and it's so weighing on me. Like, I don't even have friends like I can actually share the same dreams with. I've been so selective of trying to talk to people or get to know people. Most times within me, I know that this is a process, it's going to take time, but most times I still see myself being in a hurry. And I understand that there's no success story that didn't come with adversity and the rest of it. Sometimes I'm self-aware and I caution myself. I know that stay strong, keep going, and keep pushing. But so hard sometimes. But what is the fun of life if you're not being challenged? Like, it just feels like I have so much of imagination of how I want my day to be like, how I want my week to be like again. But to put it out in that framework of being reminded by it, like in a calendar form, is just so hard to put down. I don't want to watch long videos. Like, I'm just dreading watching long videos of how to set it up, but I just think I just need to put myself down and just watch the video and learn how to do it, and then do it so I can be more productive with my days. And yeah, with the way this should is. Hi guys, welcome back to the next day. I just woke up 6 a.m. on the routine. I just finished doing the rest of the things I'm supposed to do. And yeah, the trade from yesterday is still running, and we still have some runners left. And this is how the trade has been going. I will be closing up the trade this morning because I have lots of news coming up soon. I have lots of news coming up soon. Today, thank God I'm working today afternoon, so I won't be paying so much attention to this video. Let's just allow this news to just do its good thing, and when I'm back in the night, I'll just do some after. Yeah, I'll just do some after. But one thing I'm looking forward to is that eventually, let me see the next one. Eventually, from looking at the baby, we're already bullish in this. We're already bullish because we're already grabbing this liquidity above here and using this as support right now. Using this as support. So eventually, we'll get a little bit of retracement back to discount to clear out this. Maybe to the upside. Yeah, but just paying attention to the body is always important, because the body will always tell you the story, while the week will always do the energy. Because looking at this, this is why I head on to this trade. This, can you see how the body will just closing in? So I think that will be all for now. Just paying attention to little stocks. Okay, and that price will eventually lose what was support for resistance, and what was resistance for support. Yeah, I think I'm going to be editing the video here, and today is what, 24th of July, and yeah, we already had a good week. So even though we don't take any other trade again, we are up very good, like making how much. If I should close up this trade now, this will be how much now for the week. Close up this trade. That will be using this thing now, but our economy is quite hard. So just do the maths yourself with the naira. So it's amazing, because trading is one of the easiest, hardest things you can make money. The skill set is the most important. Then having your capital and your psychology and every other thing intact helps you growth. So keep on going, keep on learning. It's a continuous process and an endless refinement. So yeah, you guys should stay cool, and peace. Something just came to my mind this morning, and I just want to throw the question out there to you guys. Thank you guys so much for constantly should I say supporting me on this channel. And yeah, so far I want to ask this question. The question was shown at me on my comment section, but I want to, should I say, show the question as well. I want to show the question to you guys. Yeah, like, you know, there's difference between winning and being profitable. That's winning and winning streak, because this is a probability game. There's a way you can jump into the market to start winning. This was a word spoken by Mark Douglas. Okay, so but profitability is the consistent should I say winning. Okay, and to win and to be consistent in winning is two different things, because you literally have to do nothing for you to win. Okay, but being consistently profitable, you need to be disciplined, and you need to consistently, should I say, follow your rules and your process. Have a predefined process, that's entry and exit. Okay, so for so long now, being on a winning streak, okay, or feeling that I no longer feel this realm whereby I feel like I don't know anything in trading again. I just feel relaxed, and I feel like anytime I see my setup, that's when I take a trade. Okay, so this question was shown at me: when can someone say they are profitable? They're a profitable trader. Okay, like no bragging, no anything. Okay, I just want to share you guys' thoughts on this as well, because me, what I feel like somebody is a profitable trader is when you no longer, like, you can always be going against your plan, but it should be a realm whereby trading is paying your bills. Okay, like, trading is the highest thing that is sitting out your bills. Yes, then you have other things attached, because if trading is something that you're holding as the major career of your life, you should be the one that is making you the most money, right? Yes. So whereby you can know that, I think you can know the rate of how many trades you can take in a roll, and how many is a winner, how many is a loser. like an average, not that you know exactly, because at the end of the day, this is a market of probability. You never know what is going to happen. So let me hear you guys' thoughts on, when do you think someone can come to a profitable trader? Because right now, me, I know that I'm a bit close to it, but not that I'm close to it, because I still lack some things whereby I need to put myself around people who are much higher than me for me to learn and know what they think and what they are doing on a different level. Yes, so and that comes with a price you got to pay. Even though it's for you to pay money to be in that circle of people who are knowledgeable, find yourself with people who are much more higher than you, so you can learn from them. Because if you're in a circle whereby you are the one they are gaining from, yeah, it's good to be a leader, but as well, we're trying to be a leader at somewhere, be a learner also at somewhere as well. So let me hear you guys' thoughts on that.